This be demonstration. The food we dey sell for canteen. Today afternoon. It been be this. People wey dey believe say.
For that they take it.
People wey dey believe say rubber rice dey, you know. This be the proof for you. See, rice wey you mia, your palm inside dey clean, nothing. You need to feel anything for your palm. See, rice. The way they cook say human being for chop. This one, if you go enter your intestine inside.
And I hope you palm me see.
How many? See, nothing. I know they weigh anything. No. How long this rice go dey your stomach inside before you go fit digest? It been be this. You really dey believe. See, they bounce. Food, rice. Human being, you chop this thing, you no go die quick. Before you go say no, gone too soon. What a shock. Fry and bake. Yo. So you now eat pussy. You dey believe say rubber rice dey. It didn't be this. It didn't. This is it. Oh, this is it. Rubber rice. Rubber rice. Rice ball. This is rice ball. Proper rice ball.
Fried bake must go. It must go.
Yo, thank you.
Your cleaners, they must go.
Mega present.
And the same one.